Sasha and Allegra have arrived in Paris. They are guests of the brand Saint Germain. This week they will learn all about the brand, the harvest, and what makes Saint Germain so special.
We're in France with Saint Germain at Chateau Clément, and this place is unbelievable. If you don't know what Saint Germain is, it's a French elderflower liqueur, and we're here to explore and harvest, and it's going to be so much fun.
It's harvest day, and the girls must get ready.
The LA to Europe jet lag is no joke, but today is harvest day, and we are going to harvest some elderflowers. This chateau is so beautiful. I wasn't gonna wear makeup, but I need it. And I need eye drops. The elderflowers are picked across a month, and it's very important that they're picked by hand because each flower kind of blooms in a different time, so you need to pick the ones that are in bloom.
When exactly is the harvest?
The harvest happens in late spring, and it's a race against time, and today is the first day of the harvest.
Even he still make the Saint Germain year on year, working with the fresh flowers, so
This is the flowers that we just screened. So this is just flowers and water, kind of steeped like tea.
I would not be
Oh, delicious.
upside to drinking alcoholic. Like there is
That's really
upside.
The elderflowers give an indulgent, yet delicate taste with a fresh natural sweetness and notes of pear and honeysuckle. After the harvest, the girls enjoyed some downtime. The first event of the evening was learning how to make a focaccia. Next, they were taught how to make two signature Saint Germain cocktails. The Saint Germain Spritz. The Saint Germain Margarita. As the girls head home, they reflect on the trip with Saint Germain, and can't wait to share what they learned with their friends.